Today it's a very special day because I just received the Ausom L1 and
we're ready to unbox it.
and we're ready to unbox it, as he said. I have this guy here to help me, and we are going to be unboxing this Ausom L1 scooter.
The Ausom.
Awesome?
Ausom.
Awesome.
Same thing.
So, shall we begin the unboxing?
You know that bumping into my helmet won't give you an answer.
Yes or no?
Yes.
That's very nice. You think?
I think.
You like?
I think.
You like?
I film. I help.
You help? Oh, it smells good. Look how big the book is. You're gonna read?
Yes.
You film for TikTok, okay?
Yes, I'm a very good filmer.
Whoa. Look how small the charger is. We have some accessories here.
Open it up.
What the hell is it? No way. They gave me gloves.
Are you even gonna wear them?
Yes! Of course I'm gonna wear them. I don't like them.
Wow.
We still have some accessories here. Some zip ties. Keys.
Nimbus.
Inbus. Another bag. First, we remove plastic white snow. And we should unfold it, I think.
Yeah, good one.
Okay.
Let me help you with that.
Help. Wow.
Another set of buttons.
What is this? No way. It has NFC.
Oh!
Wow.
Okay. Put in here. Electro wizard. Zap!
We're not in Clash Royale, bro. You think it's straight?
Kind of.
Okay. I'm actually getting tired.
Oh, work. Oh, employment.
Oh, no, I don't want job. I don't want job, please.
Come on, screw that.
Why are you talking dirty? Okay, finally. It's done. Finally.
Yippee.
No freaking way. A screw fell there.
We'll get it. I was talking about deep diving exploration, bro.
I cannot find it.
He's all the way in. He's inside the box. Wait. He's inside the awesome box.
Can I please get out?
No. Wait, try to get out. You're actually trapped in there?
Yeah. I think I'm running out of air.
Don't worry, bro. I added another foot to hold you there.
Ah, you stole my YouTube channel again.
Yes.
I'm dying.
Let me make a TikTok, bro.
I did not find the screw.
It looks actually nice. This is not rubber. This is plastic.
What?
Wait, feel it. Feel it.
Oh my god, it actually is. Kukirin, take notes, please. What are you doing?
It's way too smooth, bro. It's just...
I don't need you to feel it. It cut my hand.
Actually?
Yeah, here is very sharp.
You didn't want to get off.
It's small.
It's actually really small. It's like a G2.
It's smaller than a G2. We did not manage to find the missing screw. And I got trapped into the box. A lot of things happened. But we're gonna just work with one screw. Thank you Ausom again for sending us this scooter.
Oh!
No!
You patched your finger, bro?
Yeah, I patched my finger.
Okay, come on. Let's go with the headlight.
No way!
This is the screw that...
Yeah, this is the screw.
Oh, wow. that was much simpler. That was much simpler than cave diving in that.
Nice.
Nice.
So, you need to press the power button.
Alright. What?
It's locked, as you can see.
Alright. What?
This
is a really cool
insane.
display. Wait.
Yeah. So now, I guess...
We're gonna take it for a spin.
Yep.
and let it charge it, even though it is up.
Almost full.
It is
We're gonna
almost-
let it charge.
It is almost full.
Yeah. So see you tomorrow. So it's the next day, and before we take this scooter for a spin, we need to go to my friend's house. You know what friend I'm talking about, and we are gonna do an unboxing for him too. We have to take this shitty elevator again. Not that fun at all. So we are at this guy's house, and he needs to do this unboxing.
I already did his unboxing, so it's his turn now.
Yeah, it's my turn to be the cameraman.
But
So,
I have a better scooter than him.
What?
I have a better scooter than you.
I hate you.
How many watts you have?
I have 800 watts.
Aha, I have 2000.
Oh my god, 2000!
Come on, let's film.
Okay, let's film. This is unpaid labor, but you know.
Come on. Come on, let's get back to work. Oh fuck. Hello guys!
So I guess we're ready to go?
Yes. Get up.
Okay.
Both of you.
Wait.
Bro, that's my scooter.
Okay, this is mine. Okay. We go in front, right?
I go in front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Before we continue with the ride out, I have to tell you about these scooter specs because for this price, it's amazing. Isn't that right?
That's right.
Yeah, it's amazing. Best
That's
e-scooter. Yay.
So this scooter, the first thing I have to say about this scooter is how good the display is. Look at this. It's like a motorcycle. This scooter comes with a 800 watt motor. Is that right?
Mine with 1000 and 1000.
Okay, bro, I did not ask you about your scooter. A 15.6 amp hour battery with 48 volts. Dual disc brakes, which are decent. 10-inch tires. The headlight is very good. I tested it at night
Compared to mine.
compared to that thing. We're finally going, right?
All of them have passwords. All the awesome ones. What?
Yeah.
Ah, you wanted to slam me and I give you my hand.
Oh.
Slap you. No, you're done.
Look how aggressive he is.
It's really maneuverable. Perfect for slapping two people like you. No. You're stuck. You're stuck. Why we always fight in every video? We should promote peace. And loving and friends.
I don't know what that is.
No, you're getting pissed off.
Ha! Ha!
Okay, let's go to the park now. Oh fuck.
Okay. But this scooter is not that fast for running away. Ah! It's catching up to me. You almost got killed. What?
Yeah, am I menacing? Am I menacing?
That was smart. Very smart.
To the park, okay?
Huh?
We go to the park.
Yeah, okay.
Go on. Come on.
You are a
park,
big
yeah?
dumbass because the car almost hit you.
Bro, you almost made us crash. No, stop fail braking me. Stop fail braking me. Wait, you don't have a dual switch. I have a dual switch. The DD switch.
I'm poor man. I don't have one.
You guys have the whole switch. Oh, fucking retard. Bro, what did you do?
Încurcai cu frâna.
Nu s-a întâmplat nimic.
Nu s-a întâmplat nimic.
Nu s-a întâmplat nimic, ok.
Nimic, absolut nimic.
Nimic, n-aveți nimic. You made me crash into the car.
I mistook it for the brake, bro. I mistook it for the brake.
What have you done?
I mistook it for the brake.
Now you deserve to be on the asphalt. No, no.
You can easily mistake it for the brake.
What if you continue to press that throttle? I would have just gone full into the car.
I barely touched it, honestly.
Yeah, but it's very powerful.
No. Honestly, I think that guy did not even realize we hit his car. He just thought we just hit each other.
His wife did. His wife did though. You know, she got out the car. You see, check.
Yeah, but I think they thought we crashed, like
Yeah.
into each other. You know? Oh, another accident, bro. This is a very unlucky day. This is a very
Everyone is going to crash.
yeah. Oh, another accident. Another accident. Another accident.
It was not an accident. It was a close call. What I can say. It was just a close call.
Yeah, so was that one.
Okay.
We were going like 10 kilometers an hour.
Exactly.
Like, what the hell was that?
Now can I try yours?
Yeah,
And you try mine.
yeah, exactly.
I'm really curious what you're going to say about it. Come on, fully throttle it.
Holy 60 kilometers an hour. God damn, this is so damn fast. Okay, so you want to go off-road?
Yeah, but my battery is kind of flashing, just so you know.
Of course, because you're on dual. This is nice on off-road. I love it. Whoa, ho, ho. Ho, ho. That was such a big jump. Oh, again. Oh. Bro, I jumped like half a meter.
You see this road?
Yeah,
It feels like a tundra.
but it's fun, not gonna lie.
It feels like Sahara. And the scooters have absolutely no problem. in handling
Absolutely no problem. It's actually quite comfortable on it.
It sounds like the dentist tool. Wait, my turn. Are you ready?
Yeah. Ah, you're. Bah! No, 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 no. You ain't going near my scooter. Not bad. Not bad at all. Whoa! Are you retarded?
You saw that?
I saw that, yeah, I caught it on camera.
I was going 50.
Bro, you almost hit me.
This thing handles off-road extraordinary.
You almost hit me, dumbass.
almost.
You want to go play football?
Wait, yeah, you have the ball.
Yes, of course.
We could go play some football.
On the stadium. On the concrete stadium.
Football.
Exactly. Here I can do wheelies.
So we're splitting up.
Yep,
And
we're
I
splitting
don't
up.
have battery on the camera. No battery on the
So that's it for today?
Yeah, that's it. So, should you get the Ausom L1? Well, for its price, this is, I think it's better than the Kukirin G2. I definitely recommend you to get it. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. And
See you next time.